We are the Eliminator Custom Boat Company. We manufacture high-quality boats with a hull and engine designed for the boating enthusiast.
I would like to introduce our host at this time. He's over there detailing one of his boats. In fact, I understand he will be a free detailing service, personal free detailing service. Mr. Bob Leach, the president and owner of Eliminator Boats.
In 1969, Eliminator Boats came to life with the 18-foot flat bottom with a V-drive in Huntington Park, California. From there, a V-bottom hull was introduced with a jet pump that legitimized Eliminator and put them on the map. Then, a groundbreaking design. The hydro-influenced tunnel hull 19-foot Daytona would revolutionize the recreational boating industry forever. Dodging through the economic challenges throughout the years, owner and founder Bob Leach, also known as the Godfather, has been able to weather the storm and come back stronger than ever before. Over the past 4 decades, Eliminator Boats and the lifelong company employees would bring a new sense of quality, craftsmanship, performance, lifestyle, cutting-edge style, and designs to the marine industry. Eliminator has earned numerous awards, racing championships, and eternal recognition. Powerboat magazine said it right. No one in the world builds a finer quality boat than Eliminator.